the Buddipole Powermini Solar Controller today, starting now. So this thing is obviously manufactured and sold by Buddipole for the purposes of running a portable station with your solar controller, battery, and two radios. It's got two ports for the, I'm going to get a zoom up shot here in a minute. It's got two ports, and these are all power pole connections. It's got two ports for radios, or two different load ports. It could be anything. A battery port to go direct to the battery, and a solar port to go direct to the solar panel. See the solar panel on the pole right there that's pointed basically towards the east right now. Well, it's pointed, yeah, kind of southeast, I think. And got it going to the line coming off of the solar panel, going to this, which I'm going to show you in a second, and then charging the battery on my RV camper. But this is pretty cool. Again, this is the Power Mini version. There's another version which we'll talk about here in a second also. But if you're looking for a solar controller, I've been really impressed with this. It works really well. This is the unit with some items plugged into it. Of course, this is solar. It's got solar, battery, load 1 and 2. The cool thing about this this version, I'll hold it up a little bit more. The cool thing about this version, it's also got a USB port right there in the side of it. So you can plug your phone or maybe a radio if you have a radio that charges USB. Kind of hard to see in the sunlight. The sun's behind me right now. Let's zoom in a bit, see what that looks like. So you've got some menus here. There we go. Let me block the sun out here. Currently this is connected to the battery in the front of my trailer, which is right here next to the propane bottle. So, but that's where the battery is, in front of the RV trailer. So there's the menu, and we can go hit the select button in the middle. The power up time, solar power is currently 7.9 watts. Battery use is negative 0.36 amp hours. Now, right now is kind of like an unfair test for the solar panel, because I have the generator running, and the generator automatically, or anytime you plug the trailer into electricity, it automatically charges the battery. So these numbers might seem a little bit off because it's early in the morning. But if the generator wasn't running right now, the battery might not be up to 13.7. The solar right now is bringing in 13.8 volts, about a half an amp, and about a 0.4 amp hour charge. And again, it's basically in maintain mode right now because the generator's charging the battery. But we can hook two radios here, all really good with power poles. Always good to have power poles. Get out of the sun there. So solar, battery, goes straight to the battery here. I took the connector off this solar panel that I've got, put power poles on it, connected it here, solar, USB, and two loads. Very convenient, very easy to use, and a very nice piece of equipment. There's a larger version also that has two USB ports on it. It's a little bit longer than this. It's got, I believe it's got ports across the top, but it'll take 4 loads, 2 USBs, a solar charger, and a battery. So this is the Power Mini, and there's a Power Mini Plus, I think it's, or Power Plus Mini, something like that. Maybe Power Plus, something like that. I don't know. Go to Buddipole. Look in the comments below. You'll see the links to the Buddipole website for these items. Probably going to use a couple of these to try to charge some mobile mesh nodes at some point in time. But these are really cool. I like these solar controllers a lot. Special thanks to Buddipole. They supplied me with the Mastwerks tripod system, the Buddipole Deluxe Kit, and Powermini Solar Controller to do a review video on. And that's I've had really good luck with all 3 of them. You can probably see 3 separate videos on all that stuff. Had really good luck with all 3 of them. This winter field day, last weekend of January in Texas, where we're operating under the call sign of KN5TR, Kilo November 5 Tango Romeo. Thanks for watching, guys. If you're here for the first time, be sure to hit the subscribe button in the middle, and check out a couple of my new videos over there on the left side or on the right side of the screen. 73.